Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. In today's video, what I have for you is best whole fried tilapia fish, crispy on the outside and moist inside. For you to enjoy your fried fish to the fullest, it has to be crispy out and moist in. Never mind, this recipe is very easy to make. With that being said, let's dive right into the video. Yes, first thing first, let's clean the tilapia fish a bit, but do bear in mind that before now I've cleaned the fish already and I have a full video of where I clean the fish. If you're interested to watch it fully, please hit the description box for the link, or I will also pin it at the comment section. Alright, so let's move. I'm done cleaning the tilapia fish, and here I got salt, all-purpose seasoning and white pepper. You can use any seasoning of your choice, but of a truth, fish does not require much seasoning because fish on its own is naturally tasty after cooking it with only salt. Alright? Next, I'm going to pat the tilapia fish dry with a paper towel. Please, this part is very important. Once I'm done patting it dry, I will give the fish some slice so that the few seasoning I'll be using on it will penetrate right inside the fish for some deliciousness. After patting the fish dry with my paper towel, I'll be seasoning the both side of the fish with salt, white pepper and all-purpose seasoning. But of a truth, do bear in mind that you can use any seasoning of your choice, but I said this before and I'm repeating it again. Any fish recipe like this type does not require too many seasoning because fish on its own is naturally delicious with or without much seasoning. The taste after any recipe it is used for will come out very perfect. Alright, after seasoning the fish very well, I will put it in a clean bowl and cover it with a foil to marinate for at least 3 to 4 hours on a room temperature. You can as well allow it to marinate overnight. There is no problem about that. While the fish is marinating, let's prep the coating flour. To the clean bowl, I will scoop 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and about a teaspoon of white pepper and all-purpose seasoning. And I will not be adding salt to the coating flour because the all-purpose seasoning I am using contains a lot of salt. Remember, I've added salt on the fish when seasoning or marinating it. Be mindful of the way you add salt to your recipe because they said that a salty food is an indication of a bad food. I learned this recipe in our church in Ghana homemaking class, alright, and it's been so awesome and my kids enjoy eating it. We are done mixing, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Next is to preheat some vegetable oil. Remember, this is deep frying, so we need enough oil to do that. Alright, it is a couple of 3 hours now and our fish has marinated enough, and I'm going to carefully and nicely coat the fish with the prep coating flour, and this is nicely done. Somebody say frying time. Our oil has preheated enough, and to it I'll be adding some onion for extra flavor. You can add any fresh extra flavor of your choice. You can as well fry it like that without adding any extra flavor. By the way, the fish has been marinated already. Once the onion infuses its flavor inside the oil, I will go ahead and throw or add the coated tilapia fish inside the preheated oil and fry on a medium heat until the both sides are golden brown. As the fish is on frying, I am standing here to make sure the outcome of the fish will be very perfect without burning or over drying. And I'm done using the onion. The onion has finished its work, and I will remove it from the heat and blend it for jollof rice right away. You can as well use the onion for sauce or stew, that is depending on your choice. The fish is nicely fried. As you can see, I will remove it from the oil and place it on a paper towel to absorb excess oil for just 2 minutes. Meanwhile, don't allow the fish to stay on a paper towel for more than 2-3 minutes to prevent it from being soggy. Once that is done, I will transfer the fish to a plain rag for a proper dryness. Virtuous family, the best fried whole tilapia fish is ready, and it's very crispy on the outside and moist inside. And here we are having it as our dinner with some fries and sauce. You can as well enjoy the fish with white or jollof rice, fufu, banku and so on. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please, if you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.